Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Edwin and this is my first YouTube video. I'm super duper excited. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup tutorial. Like, this is something I do whenever I don't want to do like bake my face and all that, but I just have to apply makeup to hide some of my blemishes. I have this oily skin that always pop out pimples on my face, so acne on my face, so I always do this everyday makeup to just, you know, hide some of those ugly stuff on my face. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve that flawless skin that you see on the screen. So just stick with me while we go on. The rest of this video will be on voiceover. Sorry, we are in Nigeria and the whole environment is very noisy, so yeah, I'll be doing a voiceover in the next video. Yeah, so guys, here we go. This is my first toner. The toner I'll be using is Neutrogena Toner Acne Stress. Actually, I love this toner because it kind of helped me remove all the dirt on my face. I do apply this toner with cotton wool, and yeah, like since I started using this toner, I realized that my face is very clean. Like, I clear every dirt. I use this toner after bath. As you can see there, all the dirt, all the remaining particles, little particles on my face that didn't go out by my black soap, like this toner take everything out and my face will be looking flawless. After this toner, I felt like, oh my god, I achieved everything in life. But nah, it's just a toner, you know. But I really love this toner. So I will advise you guys to go get it, especially when you're acne prone, you know what I mean? Like all this whole stress, acne and all that. This toner is really good. Really good. So this is my moisturizer. That's my face cream. It's called Foam Deluxe. I don't know if I call that word, but yeah, somebody introduced me to this and I've been using this for 5 days now. I don't know how it is, but I think I should just use it for 1 week before confirming. But since I've been using it, I haven't been having the acne frequently, but it's good, sure. It's good. Yeah, this is my primer. I've been using this primer. I don't know how good it is, but they wrote 24 hours. But I don't know. I haven't worn my makeup for 24 hours before, so I don't know. But it's a good primer though, because as I was rubbing it, I felt my skin is kind of smooth and sweet. This is the Kiss Beauty foundation I wanted to use before, but I really don't like it. But you see this one here, this is the baby. This is the main, you know what I mean? It's a matte touch foundation, a Kiss Beauty. At the same time, this thing gives me a full coverage. Like, it gives me that confidence. A little goes a long way, long way. Seriously, I'll be applying this to my foundation brush. This foundation is a baby. It's the best that I've used. Like, I've tried so many foundations, if you know what I mean. You know, my skin, I'm just trying new things, something that's gonna just give me that glow. And yeah, I got this foundation. I really love it. As you can see here, I'm already glowing, I'm already looking fresh, I'm really looking good, I'm really looking sweet, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is the MAC eyeliner pencil I wanted to use before. It's a color brown, but after using it, I found out that yeah, I have this, my hair is kind of mud and it doesn't look that good, so I went over with black. I didn't have my eyeliner, so yeah, that was it. I had to do it with black pencil. It's also a MAC pencil, like a MAC black pencil sorry, eyeliner pencil. It also can be used on the lip, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using to draw my eyeliner.
Welcome to that club. Yeah, I don't try make I get the money. Every nigga want to touch him body. Your package then go call you honey. She now you don't see. Yeah baby, make ya shaking your back I see. We go club, we go kiddie party. I can't shout when I see your body.
Alright, so this is my makeup brush. Like, if you know me, you know that I don't keep my things in a place, but since I got this makeup brush, I found out that after using my makeup brush, I just give it back to the bag. I got this pack for 3,000 naira in Nigeria, and yeah, that's what I've been using, and I'm enjoying it. So yes, I use my Huda Beauty highlighter and contour and my contour brush. I use the contour brush just to, you know, highlight my eyebrow. As you can see here, I use my skin tone, and I use my makeup brush to just blend them in together. This is my Milani Forever two-way cake powder. Yeah, I just use it to give myself that finished look. This is the color tree, my color. Like, everything I use is just color tree. I don't want something that's going to be too shouty. Like, after this makeup, many people won't even find out that I'm putting on makeup. That is what I love in makeup. And all the time that wherever I go, makeup should be on a wedding, you know. But something like this, it should just be, you know, walk anywhere you want to go, just rock your face, looking all natural, looking all glowy. So yeah, look at the finished look. I'm looking all flawless, no black spots, no marks, no scars, no nothing. I love it. Now I'm defining my lips with my lipstick. I'm going in with a matte lipstick, color nude. Don't mind me, I'm just patting it and then using my hand to rub it in. Look at how it looks. Very, very beautiful. So yeah, I rub it. So I went back with my MAC eye pencil. So I'm using it to define my lip, giving my lip a love shape, making it look all cute. As you can see, for those of us that have been asking me how do you do your lip, that's making it look small. I know I have a full lip, but with the way I define it, where I draw my liner, I feel it's kind of cute. And yeah, that's how I do it to achieve that love lip. So yeah, as you can see, I just love in my face. Like, everything is just smooth, everything is just well blended and cute. I didn't go with eyeshadows because I felt like I don't use eyeshadow on a daily. I use eyeshadow only when I'm going for occasions, you know. When I finish putting on that dress, I just, okay, let me go for something to bring out the dress and all that. So yeah, I just go with my eyeliner. I don't know, but eyeshadow is something I usually forget. I'm not the kind of eyeshadow person, so if I should pick from eyeshadow to eyelashes, I will just go for eyelashes, put on my eyelashes, and I'm good to go. I just need my eye pencil to draw my eyeliner, or I use an eyeliner to draw my eyeliner, you know what I mean. So that is it, and here we go. You can see I'm really looking cute, I'm really looking beautiful. I have to go in with my wig, baby. So yeah, this is the wig I'm using. Actually, when I got this wig, I felt like it's not cute, you know, the color and all that, but so I started rocking this wig. I've had a lot of good compliments concerning the wig, and I'm loving it. Look how I just bring out my skin tone. Like, man, baby, I look gorgeous in this wig. And yeah, I'm just laying it. Yeah, I love it. So to complete my look, I had to go in. Oh, I'm feeling myself. To complete my look, I had to go in with my lip gloss. Yeah. I'm kind of a matte person, but sometimes I want to give my lip a shiny look that anywhere I go, they're gonna be like, oh my god, I love your lip. Oh, you have a kissing lip, you know what I mean? So yeah, I go in with my lip gloss. As you can see, it's already shining, and my lip is just looking all natural. Like, I have those pink lips over there. I don't have a pink lip, but with the way I do it, I have a pink lip. Believe it or not, I know I like it. I love it. Yeah, baby, look at how I look. Oh my god, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Oh, look at how. Oh god, don't mind me. I'm just a playful person. Alright guys, so come to the end of this tutorial. I'm super excited. This is the outcome of all the foundation I put on. I actually applied it to powder. That is why you can see I can see here there's no black spot or whatever. So yeah, this is how the final look is. And it looks so good. Thank you so much. Yeah guys, don't forget to follow, subscribe, thumbs up, you know, do whatever. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, and you'll see more of this, like a lot more of it. So I'll be showing you how to do different types of things on this my page or this my channel here. So all you gotta do is just follow me, please. Thank you all for watching. Welcome
to my bedroom, hallway, go down. Stairs got